There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. It's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones to make a brighter day, so let's start giving.
If the women are not healthy, if they are living below a poverty line, then the entire next generation is at risk. Unless we improve the standards of living of women who are going to give birth in the near future, then we are putting an entire generation at risk. This is a very practical way of looking at it.
You know, here we are trying to suppress women. I mean, I'm talking about the society at large. And, you know, in our Hindu society, but we are worshipping Goddess Durga for Shakti. We are worshipping Lakshmi for wealth, for Saraswati for knowledge. And we think that women are inferior. We are not. You know, we just...
One day in the holy month of Ramzan, he was going to the mosque after having done his sehri, and he heard the cry of a child. And to his horror, he discovered that there was a girl child left in the garbage bin, which was being mutilated, which was being devoured by rats. This Hijra, whom we laughed at, mocked at, picked up that girl child, did not offer namaz that day, took the child to the Irani restaurant, which are numerous in Mumbai, and the entire fraternity that they got together to somehow feed that child, and they were feeding milk with cotton wool. And then he tells you how they danced with joy when they saw that the girl child had not died. This Hijra brought up this girl child as his own child. You are what you do, not what you talk from the platform, what you say in discourses or what you write. I think you need to do something. This inspiration, I think the inspiration should be drawn from this deed of this Hijra called Tiku, who's known more with us.
एम्पावरमेंट के साथ अगर एक लड़की अपनी डिग्निटी रखे, उस एम्पावरमेंट का वैल्यू बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. आप बस पढ़ाई हो गया, आपने कुछ कर लिया नहीं, उसके साथ अपना लाइफस्टाइल, द वे हाउ यू लुक एट द वर्ल्ड, एंड ऑल्सो आई बिलीव घर में जब बड़े हो रहे हो, आपके बच्चे को आप कैसे अपब्रिंगिंग दे रहे हो, स्पेशली बॉयज़. आप अगर लड़कियों के बारे में उसके साथ अभी से ये बताने लगोगे कि वो लड़की है, उसके लिए वो अलग है, तुम ये हो, उसको ये कम मिलेगा, आप ऐसा हो, ऐसा नहीं होता है. अब लड़कियों से बात करने का तरीका, कहीं अगर आपने फिल्मों में देखा कि मार रहे हैं लड़कियों को, ये सब चीज़ें अभी से ही अगर बच्चों के दिमाग में बिठाया जाए कि ये सही नहीं है, ये सब भी बहुत ज़रूरी है.
I came from a privileged background. My great-grandmother, and it goes right back to 1908, my great-grandmother, Hemlata Sarkar, founded a girls' school called Maharani Girls' School in that year in Darjeeling. Why? Because she found that her own daughters were not allowed to go into convent schools. Wow. Yes. She founded that school. It's still there 104 years later. It still stands in Darjeeling. There are 350 students. So that was something. And how did she fund it? She went, and why was it called Maharani? Because she went to the Maharanis of Kuch Bihar and Mayurbhanj, and they actually gave the money. And that's how she managed to fund that school. So that's what happened.
जन्म से बच्चे को माँ बाप को बच्चे में डालना चाहिए। कैसे किससे बात करनी है, बड़ों का कैसे सम्मान है, तुम्हारी बुराई किस में है। आज मुझे एक प्रोग्राम में किसी ने पूछा कि आप ज़रूरत नहीं समझती हैं कि स्कूल में सेक्स एजुकेशन मस्ट है। मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं कहा था, मैंने कहा कि सेक्स एजुकेशन की आप बात कर रही हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से नेट पे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में या प्रिंट मीडिया में जिस तरह के एड्स आ रहे हैं, इसके बाद बचा क्या है? उसके बाद तो खुद जो गर्ल्स पढ़ने जाती हैं उनको सोचना चाहिए, जो कोई जॉब पे जा रही हैं उनको सोचना चाहिए कि हमारी भलाई किसमें। आपकी गरिमा, आपकी डिग्निटी, जब आप घर से पैर निकालते हैं, जो लेडी पॉलिटिक्स में आती है उसका कैरेक्टर असैसिनेशन हो जाता है। लड़ते 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 26 साल हो गए, बाल सफेद हो रहे हैं, और इन्हीं पॉलिटिशियन से लड़ते लड़ते, ग्रासरूट पे काम करते करते 2003 में 98 में मैं जीती 22,000 वोट से असेंबली इलेक्शन। उसके बाद 2003 में मैं जब जीती तो भट्ट साहब मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगी, पूरे राजस्थान में मैं अकेली औरत जीत के आई थी कांग्रेस से। 18 टिकट थे, 17 विमेन हारी थी और मैं अकेली जीत के आई थी। तो कहीं ना कहीं जब आप वर्क करते हैं तो उसका आउटपुट जरूर निकल के आता है।
The problems of women should be thought of as problems of men by themselves, and then only shall we have an egalitarian society.
Part of the program, and I came because I like the concept and I like the idea. I believe in what they profess. So it was wonderful. Enjoy.
And how you are supporting your wife?
Well, everybody can see that. I'm with her, and she's working. She's doing, following her dreams, and I think that that's the way it should be, because I'm doing it for a very practical reason. Because if she's happy, I'm happy.
Okay, thank you. So nice of you.
Of course, you know, these programs are definitely necessary, but it will only be absolutely fruitful if we don't go back and forget about it, if we do something about it.
And does it create any impact on the society, this kind of empowerment seminar and something like that?
Yeah, it should. As I said, that of course people, you know, unless sometimes, you know, you don't realize or you're not aware of something. So these seminars kind of make people aware of what needs to be done and what's happening.
So inshallah in future, if we will call you up for this kind of seminar, will you able to join us for that?
I'm always there for any good cause. At least this is the least I can do for the society.
Yes, today I was particularly happy with this program because of the kind of responses that came, not only from the speakers, but also from the chairman of the National Commission for Women, what she told us about empowerment, because it's there were various things that emerged from this. And on a personal note, I feel that we have to keep on looking at the positives and not the negatives.
देखिए, इस तरह के प्रोग्राम्स बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। मैंने वहाँ भी कहा कि अगर यहाँ 200 लोग हैं तो वो 200 नहीं है, 20,000 के बराबर, क्योंकि ये जो फाइल्स हैं, जो कानून बन रहे हैं, जिन बातों के हम स्कीम्स बना रहे हैं, प्रोग्राम्स बना रहे हैं, इनका इम्प्लीमेंटेशन बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। हमें गाँव में जाना पड़ेगा, हमें सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ेगा, और ये नहीं है कि आप पूरे 30 डेज सेक्रीफाइस करिए। मंथ में 2 वीक, 1 वीक ऐसे बना लीजिए कि हमें जाना है और इन गरीब औरतों के बीच में काम करना है। मैं समझती हूँ कुछ ना कुछ आउटपुट ज़रूर निकल के आएगा, और उस आम औरत को हेल्प मिलेगी जो आज अट्रॉसिटी से परेशान है।